Hello, I am Yashna Shetty from grade 8 from Dr. Vishwanath Karad World Preschool, Latur. Today I will be doing a project based on ESP32. In this project, we will be controlling an LED with the Blink app and with the help of ESP32. So let's get started. For this project, we will need USB cable, ESP32, male to male connector wires, LED, resistor and a breadboard. First, we will be doing the connections of this project. I will connect the ESP32 here. This is the microprocessor which we are using in this project. This is fixed. Now we will connect the LED here. This is the positive leg and this is the negative leg. Now we will connect the resistor, so that if the LED gets higher voltage, the LED will not get fused. We have connected the resistor. Now we will be connecting the connector pins. So I will connect the blue pin to the ground, which is negative. And the purple one I will connect to the D21 port, for which we will be programming the ESP32. So the connection is now done. Now we will be coding our ESP32. Now I have opened the Blink Legacy app. We will create a new project. So for that we will click on the new project, then give it a name. I will give it as blinking LED. We will choose the device as ESP32 DevBoard. The connection type is Wi-Fi. You can choose the theme light or dark. I will choose dark. And now we will click on the create button. Now the project has been created. Now we will receive an authentication code for this project. And in this project we will need a button to control our LED. So we will get that. We just have to scroll from the right side and the widget box will appear. Now we will click on the button. We have got the button. Now I will go into its settings. So we will choose the output as GP21, that is the digital pin 21, which we have already connected with the LED. We need the switch, that is why I have changed from the push to switch mode. Now the Blink app is ready to control the LED. Now we will be coding the ESP32 from our laptop. I have received the auth code from Blink on my mail ID, which is important to connect the ESP32 with our project. Now we will copy this authentication code and paste it our code. I will set the SSID and password as per my network. And we have already decided the pin, which is the 21st. where we have connected the positive leg of our LED. So now we have to upload this code into our ESP32. I have connected my ESP32 to my laptop with the help of USB cable. I will click on the upload button. It will take some time. So now it is done with the compiling of project. Now we will have to press the boot button on our ESP32. It has started writing. Yes, the code is now uploaded in our ESP32. Now we are done with the ESP32 coding. Now we will test it. So I have started the project. It is showing that it is online. Now I will switch on the button. So as you can see here, the LED is starting or getting on when I am switching on the button. This is a green LED. I will change it. Now as you can see here, the LED is blinking when I am turning on the switch or the button. So our project was successful, and thank you for watching.